On this short tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat stories problem. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds right here. After you wait, now scroll until you find Snapchat app. When you find it, click on it and then click on force stop, click on data usage, disable the background data and the roaming data, go back to the home page and now open the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it. And the last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.